Good morning, students. Chapter National Symbols is going on. In the previous class video, we have studied about our national flag and our national anthem. Today we are going to learn about our national animal. A national animal is the Royal Bengal tiger. It is the symbol of strength, agility, and enormous power. National word. Student, can you tell me which is the national bird of India? Yes, the national bird of India is the Indian peacock. It is the symbol of beauty and pride of our nation. National flower. Lotus is the national flower of India. It is the symbol of dignity. Now we will solve the book exercise of this chapter. First we will do the blanks. The national flag of India is also called the Tiranga. The national anthem of India was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. The national emblem of India has been adopted from the lion capital of Ashoka. The national animal of India is the Royal Bengal tiger. The national flower of India is lotus. The national flower of India is lotus. Now we will solve the match. Saffron. Yes, it is matched with courage and strength. White. Yes, truth and peace. Green. Yes, it is matched with fertility, growth and auspiciousness. Wheel. Yes, it is matched with 24 spokes. Satyamev Jayate. Yes, inscribed at the base of the emblem. Student, state whether the following statements are true or false. We must stand at attention while lowering and hoisting the national flag. Yes, it is true. The playing time of the national anthem is 60 seconds. No, it is false. The playing time of the national anthem is 52 seconds. Swan is the national bird of India. It is false. Which is the national bird of India? Yes, peacock is the national bird of India. The national emblem of India has 4 lines standing back to back. Yes, it is true. The national symbols give us a sense of pride and patriotism. Yes, it is also true. Student, you have to write down this book exercise on your SST notebook. Thank you.